words that you give me, and I want to make a little like a word cloud. I don't know if you guys have seen that, where they have all your words, and then over time, when I ask you to share more words with me, I'm going to make that picture, and that will be what you see when you come in, or all the words that you think of when you think of history.
Yep. Right in your box.
Roar too. Good.
It's not supposed to be like a big.
All right. Any other words you want to share?
So go ahead and get started.
Very good. 13 colonies. Oh, very awesome. Very good. And we're going to add more, as the weeks go on. Okay. Very good. 50 states. Very cool.
Yeah. So if it's something that doesn't get
Okay. So, moving on. So we talked about what is history, studying past events, right? Now we have to think of, why do we study history? I mean, why are we having this class in the first place? Right? Because I want this class to matter to you, and not just because you have to do it in school. To know what happened in the past. Very good. To prevent things from happening in the future. Oh, if it happens again, can we prepare for it? That's a good one. To learn about our world. What are we going to learn about our world about? What are things we would learn? To learn about past events. Oh, to learn about events that we don't know about. To learn about things that we haven't learned about before. Here's some things that you guys may want to learn about. How to escape from a tragic scene. Good. Good. All right. Oh, very great answers. All right. So we have a video that I want to share with you. Let's see. Give me a minute while I... All right. I think I'll just have to send you a link. All right. So I will play it on here with the subtitles, but I'll also need you to watch it in your own screen so you can hear the audio. Okay, this will be the only time that I'll have you do this because I can't find the YouTube, okay? Right, here we go. So go ahead and open it in your own window. It's about 4 minutes long. So go ahead and watch it. I'll play it on here as well. And then after about 5 minutes, I will. We can start at the same time. I'll let you know when I'm going to start. So you guys can go ahead and click on it. And we're going to watch it together. And this, of course, will be available to you on our Power School Unit 3 or Welcome Unit Lesson 3 if you ever want to see it again, okay? Alright, so just a short video about why we study history, and then we can talk a little bit more about it. Alright, so I'm starting it.
All right, that's what that is. You know, kind of it's there, but that's why it's
Alright, so I'll give you just another few seconds if you haven't finished the video to finish it up. Alright, so it looks like most people are done. If you're not done, just go ahead and finish up those last few seconds. Alright, so what did you guys think of the video? Oops. Don't want to get too ahead of myself there. So, did this kind of video help you? Or was it confusing? Interesting. Good. Alright. It helped? Oh, that's good. Kind of confused. Kind of confused before or still confused now? Mm. Okay. Yeah, that's the only thing about these videos, that they do use lots of words that, we haven't learned yet, or, or that, accent. Sometimes I have to watch, the subtitles just to make sure I understand what everyone's saying. But yeah, that's why, we watch the videos and then I talk about it, because there's lots of words that, aren't familiar yet, so we're always going to go over those, okay? Alright, so just to, review the video and also just give you a couple more reasons why we're studying history this semester. It helps us understand people and different societies or different cultures and countries, right? So remember someone said that we study history so we can learn about the world and learn about people we don't know. And that's definitely one, right? There's so many people in the world, so many different countries and cultures that really helps us bring the world a little bit together. It also helps us understand why history is important in our lives. So, really big, this semester and probably in a lot of your other history classes you will have in the future, is that it will help us understand diversity and, like why we are all different and why, it all matters. It also helps us understand morals. So, you guys know what morals are? Yep, you can copy this in your notebook. This will also be available to you all the time in our Power School classroom. So morals just helps us understand like what we think is right and wrong and like how that may change or make us who we are. It also helps us have an identity. So who you are, again, helps create like, oh, you know, you're from America, you're from Puerto Rico, you're from anywhere. It helps us know who we are and what our background is. And lastly, it helps us understand how to be a good citizen. So, we learn about how, our country is formed and what we need to do to, help change our, people and society and our world to be a better place. Right, so that's why we're studying it this semester. You don't need to remember all of this right now because we're going to be learning it and doing it. All right, so this is an opinion question, so there's no right or wrong answer. I just want to know, which do you think is the most important reason why we study history? Okay. Is it to help us understand people more? To help us understand diversity more? Help us understand our morals? Helps create identity or helps make us good citizens? And so just take a minute, to think about it and answer in the polls. So this is, a personal opinion, a personal view, why you think we're going to study or why you should understand it. So if you're a little confused about this question, just like, why is history going to matter to you? Is it so you can understand people more? So you know about diversity? You know about morals? Is it going to help create who you are, give you an identity, or is it going to help you make yourself a good citizen? All right. So I'm going to end the poll. So it looks about split across the board. They're all very good answers. They're all right. It looks like a little bit more people think we should study history because it helps us understand diversity. It's a good one. All right. So, if you guys have any questions or comments about why we're going to study, maybe about what we're going to study? All right, so this is basically the end of our welcome unit. Next week, we're going to start really learning about history, and our class, we'll have our do now, video, or lesson, and then an assignment for the day. Okay, for the rest of class, though, you need to stay here in class, but I want you to go ahead and complete that student survey that I had made for you yesterday. All right, I will bring you back to it so I can show you where it is, but I need you to do that. It does give me it does tell me who's completed it in the Google survey. However, you need to take a screenshot once you finish it and upload that. So I don't have to go like searching for it, okay? And then also, if you didn't complete and turn in the Who Am I Google Slides that we did the first day on Tuesday, then this is the time to also do that. Okay? If you have any questions on how to like attach that and turn it in, just let me know. All right, so let me just show you again where the student survey is, and then I'll bring it back to this screen so you can know what you're doing until the end of class. All right. So to do the student survey, we're going to go back here to our page. Just go to Welcome Unit Lesson 2. Oh, this probably looks like a lot of your screens sometimes. That's okay. All right. Now to get back to the survey. All right, welcome unit lesson 2. Scroll all the way down, right here. And you're just gonna click on it and click on the survey. Alright, so go ahead and do that first. Remember to take a screenshot for me and turn that in. And then once you're done with that, if you didn't finish your, oops, wrong one, your Who Am I Google Slides, you can do that. Yes, I know, Olivia. Okay. Oops. And if you finish the survey and you finish and attached your Who Am I Google Slides to your turn-in, you can let me know. You can get started on some other homework or other assignment that you have. If you need any help